Alrighty, Scott, figure 427. I'll walk forward, get your picture of the combination. That's one of our CNC heads on. Got the Edelbrock Pro Flo. That's on wall band. Go ahead and go in there and make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400, that's 492 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 528, peak horsepower 538. So we're rated at 520, so it runs good. And now I'll show you a couple things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. Basically have the engine number, some other specs. If you need something for us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code there. Take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.